Alright friends, let's begin the last video. JavaScript array methods, video number 5. And in this video we're going to discuss the method value of. Okay, the value of method is the default behavior for an array. It converts an array to a primitive value. JavaScript will automatically convert an array to a string when a primitive value is expected. Because of this, all these examples will produce the same result. Just take a look at this example here. Alright, let me delete this and say doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag and body tag. Paragraph JavaScript automatically converts an array to a string when a primitive value is expected. Okay. Paragraph ID is equal to demo. Close the paragraph. Var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to fruits. Script body and end of HTML tag. Let's save this file as. Alright, file, save as, method number 18, example actually, and file save as .html. Alright, and let's find this file here. Right, JavaScript automatically converts an array to a string when a primitive value is expected. So if you look at the array here, banana, orange, apple and mango. So if you look at it is all string. Okay, so it automatically converts an array to a string when a primitive value is expected. So the whole thing is a string right now. That's basically what you're trying to say here. Okay, now let's look at an example which talks about value of. Okay, alright, doc type HTML, HTML tag, method returns the primitive value of an object. Okay, open up the paragraph tag and say ID is equal to demo. Close the paragraph tag. Var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Okay, document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to fruits dot value of. Okay, and the script tag and the body tag and the HTML tag. Alright, Let's save this file as save as 19 and also .html. Okay, let's run this file. So the value of method returns the primitive value of an object which is string. Let me do a third example to reinforce this. Alright, begin typing. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag, the paragraph tag, the tostring method returns an array as a comma separated string. Okay, PID is equal to demo script var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Okay, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits dot tostring. Okay, and end the script tag and the body tag and also end the HTML tag. Okay, and let's save this file as save as 20 and save as .html, and let's run this file. The tostring method returns an array as a comma separated string. We know that as well. Okay, with this I am going to end all my examples for this video series JavaScript array methods. Now before I close this video series JavaScript array methods, I would like to show you a reference list of all JavaScript array methods available to you, because it's beyond the scope of this course to cover each and every array method. So what I've done is I've just created a list of array methods available, and I'm just going to briefly go through them. And after this, when I'm done with this video series, I'm going to begin another one, and it's going to be called JavaScript Array Sort. So we're going to learn how to sort arrays in the next video series. Okay, so let's look at this list that I've compiled for you. There you go. These are the methods and these are their descriptions. So you look at the concat method and you get this joins two or more arrays and returns a copy of the joined arrays. Okay, copy within copies array elements within the array to and from specified positions. Every checks if every element in an array passes a test. Fill the elements in an array with a static value. Filter creates a new array with every element in an array that pass a test. And find returns the value of the first element in an array that passes a test. Find index returns the index of the first element in an array that passes a test. For each calls a function for each array element. Mind you, we are going to use a few of these examples, a few of these methods in the next video series, which is the JavaScript array sort. Index of search the array for an element and returns its position. Now let me tell you something about JavaScript arrays. This is a very powerful aspect of JavaScript, because it allows you to populate a large volume of database using simple program. and you can also access it. You can slice it, splice it, push, and pop, and do so many things with those items that you have in the array. Okay, and you can sort them, you can also search, you can also do all kinds of things like the names of these methods suggest. Index of: search the array of an element that returns its position. Is array: checks whether an object is an array. I'm sure some of these are familiar. Join: joins all elements of an array into a string. Last index of: search the array for an element starting at the end and returns its position. Map: creates a new array with the result of calling a function for each array element. Pop, we know that, removes the last element of an array and returns that element. Push adds new elements to the array end of an array and returns the new length. Reduce the value of an array to a single value. Reduce right reduces the values of an array to a single value going right to left. Reverse reverses the order of the elements in an array. Shift removes the first element of an array and returns that element. Slice selects a part of an array and returns the new array. Sum checks if any of the elements in an array pass a test. Sort sorts the element of an array. Splice adds removes elements from an array. Tostring converts an array to a string and returns the result. Onshift adds new elements to the beginning of an array and returns the new length. And Valueof returns the primitive value of an array. And you have array properties. Let me scroll down. Yes, array properties are you have a constructor, you have length and prototype. Constructor returns the function that created the array object's prototype, and length sets or returns the number of elements in an array, and prototype allows you to add properties and methods to an array object. All right, let me sign off this video, and in the next video series we're going to sort these arrays. All right, see you then. Bye.